We are drawing a sailfish today. It is Tuesday, April 15th at 5:50 in the morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. We are starting off with a little sketch of the sailfish. I picked this one out of a list of sea critters. Uh, when came down to sailfish, I remembered back to my childhood watching Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. And if I remember right, there were some sailfish on there. Um, and I remember watching, on the 3.5 channels of television we had, there were nature shows, and they always intrigued me. Um, Flying out of the water. That's my memory. I don't know if they do that or not. So let me know in the comments. But I do remember seeing fishermen on TV catching them and releasing. So it was fun to watch. And as a person growing up in the Ozarks in Missouri and have been to the beach, maybe not yet, maybe I had already, I don't know, but the ocean always intrigued me. And all the critters that are swimming around and in the ocean and crawling around on the beach and on the bottoms of the ocean. So we're going to do a couple different animals. These are not going to all be your traditional fish. I'm going to do a sea slug here in a few drawings. I think I'm going to do a blue whale also. I know I've got a killer whale and I've got a humpback, but I do like the blue whale as well. They're just beautiful. They're big. The sailfish is sleek, fast, and strong, and I try to get a little bit of the curvature into it. Its spear in front and the sails. I think it turned out pretty good. If you'd like to follow along and subscribe, you'll see my next drawings. You can also go way back, not way back, 9 months or so, last July, to where I started. And you'll notice that after 40 some years of not drawing, my beginning drawings were a little crude. There were some good surprises that came through, but take a look at those older ones. You'll notice my video quality and sound quality aren't quite the same. I did a lot of experimentation to get this method here of videoing, and it's come out pretty good, I think. Let me know again also if you can see everything well enough or not. So we're finishing up with bubbles, of course, and this is a night scene. I put a little more detail in the sail, and here's my final drawing. Have a great day.